How to remove a video from YouTube on iPhone. Do you want to remove a video from your YouTube channel using your iPhone? Let's walk through the steps to delete it safely. Start by opening the YouTube Studio app from home screen and signing into your channel. Then tap on the Content tab to view all your uploads. Find the video that you want to remove. Tap the three-dot menu on the bottom right corner of any video. Here you can see many options. Select delete, then confirm your choice. This video will be permanently deleted, and you're done. Your video has been successfully removed from your channel. And that's about it. If you guys enjoyed this video, or if this video managed to help you, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next tutorial.